Okay, now I'm going to explain the JSON Deserializer program that I've written using C language. What this program does is it loads a text file which has JSON formatted data. JSON formatted data in the sense each object is stored as key value pairs. Each object is enclosed in a curly brace and separated. The objects are separated by a comma. This is actually a list of JSON objects. So the JSON data is represented as key value pairs. The keys are strings, and values can be either strings, integers, or float values, or even can be a JSON format. Even can be JSON objects. Here the objects are user objects which has first name, last name, age and height, and phone numbers. Phone numbers are in turn JSON objects which have type and number as the attributes. Here the phone number can be of any format, like um, the spaces between them or separators between them, the number of digits together. They can be of any format. The program handles any format of phone numbers, but the limit on that is the phone number can't be greater than 10 digits. So let's jump into the code now. I've used a client server model. What the client does is it takes first name and last name from the user and sends it to the server. And in the server, what happens is the server loads the JSON formatted data or JSON file, and then it loads the JSON objects as users. Each user has the given attributes: first name, last name, age and height, and also the phone numbers, which are represented as a linked list, and the users are also stored as linked list. Now the client sends the first name and last name to the server, and the server receives it, goes through all the linked list data of the user, and then it will make a response, create appending the uh, type, the phone number data, and sends it back to the client. What happens here is when the file is loaded, the objects are loaded into the memory as linked list, and then each object is created as a node and appended into the linked list. And since every object has phone numbers as of an attribute, even the phone numbers are stored as linked list and then appended into the user object. So this is how the program works. Let's check the execution. Let's start off with the server part. Exe. Sorry. Okay, server is waiting for the connection. Client dot exe. Alright, let's check what's the first name of. Let's try this one, fn and ln. The data that we enter here is case sensitive. So fn and ln. Yeah, the phone numbers are sent as it is. So the type is home and fax. Let's try it for one more. John Smith. Yep, it works. So this is how the JSON deserializer works. Thank you.